What is going on, guys? Rodney here with Crypto Bros, bringing you a late night Sunday video. And in today's video, we're just going to be kind of covering the market. So it's been a super weird week. We kind of had a little bit of recovery after a tough January. Now things are all back in the red again. And I just kind of want to cover those things tonight. If you're saying, God, Rodney, your voice sounds terrible. Yes, no, I'm not sick. It does sound crappy though, but I've always played a very competitive high level of paintball, and it has to do with a lot of like voice stuff. So when you do this often, it really wears on my voice. No, I'm not talking about play in the woods paintball. I'm talking about like shoot people a lot of times paintball. So I do apologize if you can't hear me very well this evening. But let's get into this video. First thing is first. We can see a lot of red here on the coin market cap, VeChain. VeChain is holding strong, guys. I think that's a testament to how strong this project is. I think it's very smart to get in on this coin if you're not in there, but that's not the point of this video. So anyway, lots of red, more correction-y-ish stuff going on, and I think that's okay. This gives us a good opportunity to increase positions in coins that we have. And I know that I've said that similar thing, about 7 days ago as things were very far down, but good opportunity because what we've kind of seen in the past is, I should have had it up, is every January we run into this bearish low market and then we usually see some type of strong, breakouts come closer to February. I think we'll see a similar trend this year. And it's been, guys, it's been a super weird week too, right? So a lot of people thought we were going to be kind of breaking out right here, kind of down through this area. Some news came out or some things went on in India that they were cracking down on Bitcoin. That sucked. I thought we were going to see a strong push from the government shutdown this week. That didn't quite happen. I mean, to some extent it did, but there was a lot of variables out there aside from just the charting that I think kind of set back where we kind of thought this was going to go right here for Bitcoin. And let's see if I can kind of draw a little line here so you guys can see what I'm see what I'm saying a little bit better. But I thought we were going to come out of some type of chart right around this area. Oops, sorry here, guys. I totally blew all that. But you catch my drift. So yeah, just to make that clear, I thought we were going to kind of come somewhere out of this. This is the 4-hour chart, but again, we had some setbacks that I think kind of halted this, but that's okay because what'll happen is if we trade sideways and we move sideways for the next 5, 6, 8 days, we should see a little bit of action in the altcoin world. At least that's what I'm hoping. If we flip over here, though, over to coin market cap, I think people were kind of preparing for a strong Bitcoin dominance push. And I say that because, the dominance has shifted. We've kind of been on a upward trend in terms of Bitcoin dominance, from the 33% mark. We saw as high as 36, still around 37 or 34.7. So, and I think it was the direction we were heading up until some current events. I mean, market cap is still fairly strong at $371 billion. And I think one of the highest I saw it was this week was 580-ish. Today I didn't get much chance to dive into the market, so don't quote me on that. But anyway, so yeah, that's where I think we're heading. If you're stressed out about it, I wouldn't be. I think end of January, early February is going to bring some really strong movement, whether it's in the altcoin game or whether it's in the in some of the major coins. And I think there's a lot of good buys right now, guys. Like look at Dash, $834. I mean, it could be a while before, if things take off, it could be a while before we see that again. Look at Monero, $350. Like, I think there's some super good buys right here. Icon, I think there's moves to be made. Even Lisk. So, I mean, if you can get your hands on some of these and you're not selling off, I think that's a good play. In terms of what's going on and some things that I did, I removed some stop losses here out of my Binance account. Some things that were kind of hedging my bets so I didn't lose money. But I think we're going to kind of see a that's not even a word. I think we're going to see some upward mobility here in the next few days in some of these coins. So I removed some of my stop losses. I think we're going to see some things climb. There's CND still sitting at 23 cents after its epic run. I'm still waiting on a pullback in here to increase my position, but yeah, but I mean, if we scroll here, lots of red out here on the open charts. Let's see who's down here at the bottom. DNT, Link. I mean, Link I still think is up fairly big at 88 cents. So, yeah, guys, all kinds of movements this week. Very interesting week in crypto. It was very tough to trade. I thought we were actually going to see some movement out of loop ring. I even posted this on my Twitter. It broke some. Man, it's terrible. I don't know why I'm on the 1 minute. It broke some resistance, and I actually thought we were going to run up right here. Pretty good. But we came back down and puttered out. But I mean, as you can see, I mean, on this wick up here, there was some pretty strong buying power that backed it, but it got shut down pretty quick. But anyway, yeah, that is all I have for you guys tonight. Let's swing over to KuCoin. I think most of the coins on KuCoin are getting smashed. I know a lot of you guys are in on Deep Brain Chain, still down, not even above 20 cents. You guys, I'm still in the same boat. I bought it at 26 cents, as I've said before. I'm still holding strong. At some point, this will recover. This is a time and patience game. And then also, I think Dragon Chain is a great buy tonight at 264. I cost averaged my way down. I don't exactly remember what the lowest that I got was, but we were up over $3. On there, I was in the green. I don't remember where I'm at, but I think this is a super good buy tonight. I'll see, pull up this chart really quick. But yeah, if I think this is the time that we shouldn't necessarily be selling. I think this is the time we should be making moves. Whether that's, look at that, we're doing pretty good here, guys. Whoops. But yeah, I don't think this is a time we should be selling. If you want to play it safe, you can move some of your current positions over into USDT and wait till things shake out and we start catching that upward trend. But I definitely think that's coming the next few days. So anyway, that is all I have for you guys tonight. If you do want to get in on the, I'm giving away 2 of these hats sometime this week. And I posted a video on it Saturday. I will share that here. If you do want to get in on the free hat giveaway, all you have to do is go over to my Twitter page. I think it's my old pinned post up there. Go over to the Twitter page. All you gotta do is retweet this and follow me on here. I'm going to be picking, you have a good chance at winning. I have 4 retweets right now. So I will be picking a winner in the next week or so. The only other thing you have to do if you want to get in to win 1 of 2 hats is head over to my Facebook page. It is Crypto Bros. And just follow me there. Anyone who's followed me in the since Saturday will also be entered in to win 1 of the free hats. If you are picked, all I'm going to do is shoot you a private message. I'll connect with you, grab your address, and I'll mail you 1 of these out. So that is it, guys. If you are finding these videos helpful, by all means, subscribe. We do have some really cool things going on. I just try to give you my honest, open feedback. I spend a lot of time doing research, digging in, weighing out opinions, researching coins, and I share all that here. So if you're finding these helpful, by all means, come hang out. We'd love to have you. The feedback from you guys has been so awesome. We're like 98% positive, 2% negative, and I think that's a tremendous balance, especially on the internet where everyone is free to share their opinion, whether it's wanted or not. But yeah, come hang out, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or you're looking at coins, leave those questions, comments, links, and stuff below. I take time every single day to respond back to those. If you get dropped in the spam box, I'm sorry, I don't normally see those. So if you put some spammy links out there, some weird stuff, you might go there. But other than that, that is it for this evening. I will check you guys tomorrow.